The MS Care and Clean Kit is the perfect companion for cleaning the intricate parts of your chainsaw, including the air filter, guide bar, sprocket cover and cylinder fins. The kit comes with a 150ml bottle of our new VarioClean ECO, a versatile universal cleaner that's made up from natural ingredients, and a spray bottle that is made from recycled material. It's ideal for clearing dirt from the surface of your saw, as well as cleaning the air filter and cutting attachments. To use it, spray it on the area you want to clean, leave it for 5 minutes, and then wipe off with a damp cloth or brush. A cleaning brush is also included, which is handy for getting to those difficult to clean areas. It can be used to loosen stubborn dirt from the sprocket cover and dust from the cylinder fins. At the other end, it has a metal attachment to clear out the oil pickup hole and the bar groove. And for those that want a little bit more, there's also the MS Care and Clean Kit Plus, which comes with a larger 500ml bottle of VarioClean ECO, a cleaning brush and an additional microfibre wash bag. This wash bag is designed for cleaning the HD2 filter in your washing machine. Simply remove the filter, place it in the bag and wash at 60 degrees alongside your other PPE such as chainsaw protective trousers and forestry jackets. Plus it can be used as a cleaning glove in combination with VarioClean to clear dirt from your chainsaw. The MS Care and Clean kits sit alongside our brush cutter, hedge trimmer and lawnmower cleaning kits, so you can keep all of your tools in tip-top condition. Get yours from your nearest STIHL approved dealer today.